So you have a cast iron skillet that you want to season, but you don't have an oven. This is how you do it on the stovetop. First step, you're going to warm it up on the stovetop, upside down or right side up. It does not matter. You just want it to be warm to the touch. Once it's warm enough where you know it will melt, like a Crisco or an oil will spread easily, you're going to wipe your oil on. Use whatever oil you prefer. You're going to do the outside. You're also going to do the inside. And don't forget to do the handle as well. The whole pan is coated. It's nice and shiny. You can tell there's oil all over it, including the handle. Yes, you want to oil the handle because seasoning protects your pan from rust. So once you've got this down, you're going to want to wipe the excess oil off. And how I do this is I use the blue shop paper towels. They absorb oil very well. And you're going to see kind of the shine go away here. All right, now that you've oiled the pan and you've wiped all the excess oil right back off of it, you're going to choose the burner that fits the pan the best. So the large burner is going to fit this one the best. And you're going to turn your heat. You'll see it here. Your heat is going to go up to about 6 or 7. And you're going to let it sit like that, upside down if you can, until it starts to lightly smoke. All right, now we can see some smoke lightly coming off the pan. What's happening here is the oil is reaching its smoke point and it's polymerizing, which means it's hardening onto the iron. That's what gives you your non-stick surface and protects the pan from rust. In this case, I'm using Crisco shortening to season this pan. And you'll know when this is about ready because the color will change. You can see a few dark spots left around the spout here. Those will lighten up. See these dark spots up here? These will lighten up as well. Once the whole pan reaches a consistent color, you're ready to turn the heat off and let it cool slowly. Now the pan is kind of silver. You're going to do this 2 or 3 times in a row. Yes, you're going to wipe the oil back off every time before you heat it up. And then the final time, you're going to let it cool down a little bit where it's still warm to the touch, and you're going to coat it in oil again, wipe it off, and store it. So after your last coat of oil and then your last time wiping it down to get all the excess off, you're ready to put it away or cook, either one. And if you want to double check and make sure you've seasoned it correctly, the best way to do it is wait till it's cool and see that water runs off of it like this. If the water just sticks to it and doesn't beat off, it's not seasoned correctly and you probably need to do it a few more times. If it does this, it is seasoned and ready to cook. Then you just wipe the water out and you're good to go.